What do giant lock gates, manatees, and a hidden campground sitting right on the Caloosahatchee River all have in common? You'll find out at W.P. Franklin North Campground in Southwest Florida. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. W.P. Franklin North Campground sits along the Caloosahatchee River in Southwest Florida, offering a peaceful place to camp while still being close to a lot of things to do. The campground is located about 16 miles east of Fort Myers, roughly 33 miles from Fort Myers Beach, and about 32 miles from Punta Gorda. Because of that location, you get a nice balance here. It feels quiet and tucked away along the river, but you're still close enough to grocery stores, restaurants, beaches, and plenty of attractions if you want to head into town for the day.
All wheels off the grass.
All wheels off the grass is not going to be an option.
Go in there and line up where you need to and get started. I'm going to measure this off.
I tell you right now, it's not an option.
Okay, well, let me just measure it off, okay?
I think we'll be okay.
You're stoned. I'll tell you what, this thing is not going to fit in that hole.
Well, we may have to remove the trailer.
Oh, no, he ain't.
All we're going to do is try.
You want to come over here and measure this out and see what you think?
I can tell you, it ain't going to fit.
It's deceiving. I don't know what else we're going to do.
They ain't got a clue, but it ain't fitting in there. That's all I'm saying.
So Dave and I just dropped Zippy over here. He's gonna back it all the way over here. You're good. Turn, turn, turn. Good. Keep turning. You're good. Keep turning. Okay, you're good. You're good. You're wonderful. Keep going. There you go. Beautiful. Damn, man. It's like you've done this before. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Little more, little more, little more. Stop. Pull up 1 little inch. Perfect. Stop.
Damn, man. It's like you've done this before.
The campground itself is operated by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and if you stayed at Army Corps of Engineers parks around the country, you probably already know they tend to be very well maintained. One of the things that makes this campground unique is its location. The campground sits on a narrow piece of land that's almost completely surrounded by the Caloosahatchee River. From the air, you can really see how the campground stretches out along the water and river views in multiple directions. The Caloosahatchee River itself is an important waterway in South Florida. It forms part of the Okeechobee Waterway, a 152-mile route that connects the Atlantic Ocean on Florida's east coast to the Gulf of America on the west coast. Because of that connection, you'll often see boats of all sizes traveling through the river and passing through the nearby lock system. Just across the river from the campground is the W.P. Franklin South Recreation Area, where the Army Corps of Engineers operates the lock and dam. It's actually pretty interesting to watch boats pass through the lock as they move along the waterway. The campground here is fairly small. There are 29 RV sites along with 8 cruiser sites designed for people traveling by boat. Those cruiser sites allow boaters to sleep on their vessels while they still enjoy the campground's amenities like showers and other facilities. Most of the RV sites include 50-amp electric service along with water hookups. The sites are paved and generally level, which makes setting up fairly straightforward for most rigs. Many of the sites are positioned along the river, giving campers a great view of the water and the boats passing by. Spacing between sites is pretty good as well, so you don't feel like you're right on top of your neighbors. The campground layout is simple, arranged in 2 loops that makes it easy to drive through and find your site. For campers who enjoy being on the water, W.P. Franklin North Campground offers several amenities that make it easy to get out and enjoy the river. There's a boat ramp available right in the campground, along with boat trailer parking, which makes launching and retrieving boats convenient. There's also a fishing pier where campers can spend time casting a line and enjoying the view of the river. Fishing here can be pretty good since the Caloosahatchee River supports both freshwater and saltwater species depending on conditions. If you prefer paddling, kayaking is another popular activity in the area. Not far from the campground is Telegraph Creek, which offers a chance to explore Florida's backcountry waterways. Paddling through the mangroves and swamp areas can provide a completely different perspective on the Florida landscape, and it's also a good place to spot wildlife. Because the campground sits right along the river, it's also a nice place just to relax and watch the water. Boats regularly pass by as they travel along the Okeechobee Waterway, and sometimes you'll even see dolphins or manatees in the river. We did. Covered picnic tables and fire rings are provided at the campsites, giving campers a place to enjoy meals outside and relaxing in the evenings. Quiet hours are typically observed from 10 p.m. until 6 a.m., helping ensure a peaceful environment for campers overnight.
We want to go to the boathouse to eat, and there wasn't any parking space, but you come down about a quarter of a mile to the marina, and they have a shuttle service that will come and get you.
One of the fun things about being in this area was getting to meet up with friends. We met my longtime friend Deb, who was my matron of honor when Dave and I got married 24 years ago. We met at the Village Brewhouse in Fisherman's Village in Punta Gorda. We also met up with Chuck and Kathy at the Riviera Bar and Grill in Punta Gorda. We met them at an RV rally in Indiana in 2019, and we have kept in touch ever since. If you like this campground and would like to make a reservation, go to recreation.gov and look up W.P. Franklin Campground. Pick out the dates that you want, where there is a site that's available. It will show you the information regarding that particular site, and will give you the price. You can see in the lower right-hand corner, it's $30 a day. This has water and electric hookup. None of them have sewer, but they'd have a dump station. You'll see where this says that the maximum length for the RV is 35 feet. They say that for all of the sites there. I went to Google Earth and I measured it out, and it was around 45 feet. They also have additional vehicle parking across the street in many areas. If you want the site, you add it to your cart, fill out the rest of the information in there, and if you happen to have a America the Beautiful senior card, you'll get 50% off. It has a 4.9 score. You can also see that their mobile coverage is very good there. We hope to visit this campground again. Now it's time to go dump and take off to the next campground. Thanks for rolling with What's on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.